was born on the river's edge. The broken melody stuck in my head, the thirst disposition of a river child. And on that riverboat all was well, if I get back home by the dinner bell, and set out late to catch the stars and fireflies. And in the winter when the water's cold, I'd long for that old fishing boat, and the day when TVA would make the water rise. It's how life flows, it's how life goes, it's how life flows on the river wild. The interstate is my channel now, just singing songs and counting miles, thinking about my baby at the end of the line. And late at night when I can't sleep, I sail away my memories to those sunburned days when all I felt was fine. Innocence is a precious thing, it drifts away and then it sinks down deep below the water where you never find it. It's how life flows, it's how life goes, it's how life flows on the river wild. It seems I've lost my way amid the thunder clouds and the crashing waves, but I won't be cast away. On this ship of dreams I will find my place, where this harbor's safe, the river's wild. Now and then, boy, I still go to lonely dugout on Duncan Road, and catch up with old friends and maybe wet a line. And although things ain't quite the same, some things in life won't ever change. And old man Duncan just looked at me and smiled. He said, it's how life flows, it's how life goes, it's how life flows on the river wild. He said it's how life flows, it's how life goes, it's how life flows on the river wild.